Let me look at this one down here. Cardboard. Doing like an all bunch of styrofoam and plastic. Bag this up. You know what this is?
No.
Oh, these are placemats. It's a plate. That's a plate. Got some placemats, huh? Yeah, all cardboard. Let me look at this one down here. Cardboard. Much luck today. We're striking out everywhere. Well, we got a pumpkin sign, a frame coated in glass. I don't want to take it. Looks like it's all cheers. People just keep dumping stuff.
Look, there's like plates. What is that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh.
There's some bird seed. Take a bag of bird seed.
For what?
Cool. Feed the birds, huh? Those are nice. Those are birds.
Careful.
And there's one bird back here. Man, that would have been a nice dish.
Oh my gosh. Broke.
Pie plates broke. Protein shakes. I'll go get there's some more back there.
It's new.
Brand new slip cover.
Got it.
More shakes. They're brand new.
Looks like there's more shakes in there.
It's cough syrup.
What?
Cough syrup.
Why are they throwing away all the protein shakes? There's another one.
That one's opened.
Jeez.
That's enough. Oh, it's empty.
How do you know?
See how easy I'm moving it.
It doesn't look empty.
It's empty.
Probably just plastic.
Trash. It's all cardboard and styrofoam. Tire for
My
the
God.
Holly, there's a
so
motor
dark.
pump for you. We'll get this out.
What is that?
Compressor motor.
I'm getting a lot of stuff in this snow.
That's it.
There's card. What is that box?
Yeah, I'll get it. You got that cat food. That's got a hole in it. We're gonna climb up here, hon. Got one bag. Got some cat food. Looks like that's it. Found a chair. I gotta get this out. Come on.
There's another one.
I think it's so part of it. I need the other leg. There's two. I see something here. No, it's not a leg.
Looks like there's a thing right there, hon. In that box inside. Is that a candle? Yeah, it's broken.
Oh, wow. Eggs. Hello, everybody. I got some eggs. Oh, I can't take that one. Milk. That's still good. Chocolate milk. Another chocolate milk. I gotta put this in the truck.
Put in the box.
I don't know I'm gonna put this yet already.
Okay.
Some chocolate milk. Bag of apples. Ah, the eggs are ruining the tomatoes. That's not good. Oh my gosh, look at all the milk, huh? This is good till, still good. It's empty. You like pears? Got some more oranges. There's a lot. It seems like, oh my gosh. I can't, it's a whole box of, I can't take all this. I can't use it. That's crazy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 milks this fall, and there's more.
What is that? Flour.
Flowers for you, hon.
It's getting so cold.
Huh?
It's getting so cold.
Look at these potatoes. Another sack of potatoes. God. The cantaloupe is good. I can't take all these though. These are good. My dad likes cantaloupe. I'm gonna have to make a trip to the car. That's busted. I'm gonna put this down here. Get down in here, hun. More oranges. Like, hold on. It's a salad snack.
Let me see. Oh my gosh.
I want it to come around.
Yeah.
I can't see on that
Let
side.
me see.
Look at that. That's good. I ain't gonna take that. That's watermelon. It doesn't look that good. I think it's watermelon. Two boxes of them.
Oh my gosh.
I'm having trouble getting anything. Mixed vegetables. That one's it's busted. Well, hello everybody. Back from a long day of dumpster diving. It was a rough start. All the dumpsters were empty. We're trying to figure out the schedule on these dumpsters, and I tell you what, some days are empty on Thursday, Wednesdays are full, but today they were empty. But we kept on searching and we found some stuff. We got a wide variety of items today. So, got a brand new bag of bird feed. I don't have a bird feeder, but I might buy a bird feeder next year. They're not very expensive, and if not, I will donate this. But I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of turkey liver, or turkey fish liver cat food. I was going to give it to Taylor, but she keeps telling me she doesn't need any more cat food, that they have a bunch now. If not, I'll donate it. But 6 bags. I found a tire. This is for a dolly. I actually got one just like it. I bought for my dad, and we didn't need it because I was able to fix his. But I will hold on to this. You ready? Found a plate. I don't know if I chipped it on the way home, but I'll probably end up throwing this away now because I really don't need it now. But oh well, it's okay. I found some Bath and Body Works. This is almost full. This is Shea, Ultra Shea hand cream or whatever it is, body lotion. Got some body wash from Bath and Body Works. Almost a full bottle of body lotion for men. Oh heck yeah! I'm going to use this baby for men. I got a air freshener. Just got to put the little thing in there. So I think I'll keep that. I got 1 box of Little Debbie Star Crunch. Those are pretty good. I've had them before. I think I had to undo this. This was $60 at Kirkland's. I hate to say, I shouldn't say any names, but I think it's like a table runner. You put it down in the center of your table. I think that's what it is. I found a set of placemats. Oh my gosh, there's two sets of 4. These are $40 each. There's $80 sitting right here. Is that crazy or what? And they're brand new. So we got some new placemats. Oh yeah. I got it's brand new Sofa Saver slip cover. It's a navy blue. I don't want navy blue, and plus ours extends out, so this will be donated because this is brand new. I have 6 bottles of Wellments. I think it said it was organic. It's $5 a bottle. It's a cough medicine for, it's nighttime. Hey boys, you want some cough medicine? Just kidding. We already have the cough medicine. I will probably donate this. Maybe hold on to 1 bottle. I have 5 bottles of Equate high performance protein shakes. I just looked at the expiration date and it's not until March of this year. Where's it at? I just saw the expiration date. Yeah, it's not till March of next year, or this year I mean. 1, 2, 3. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I found 16 of these. I actually left 1 box in the dumpster because there's so much. I figured somebody else can use it. I mean, look how fresh that lettuce is. This is chicken, corn. It's a Santa Fe. It's gonna be spicy. Ugh. You might have to eat this. But heck, you can't beat that. 6 salads or 8 salads. I got more these are good cantaloupe. I think they got rid of the whole box because there was 1 cantaloupe, it was split open. So they pitched all of them. That is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. And I don't know if Dad will want one, he likes cantaloupe, but I'm gonna try it. I got a bag of organic pears. There's a couple bad ones I think in there, but there's also some good ones, and I'm gonna just keep the good ones. I got a gallon of 2% milk, Best by January 18th, 2022. I don't get it. Now we got 4 half gallons of chocolate milk. It says specify 1/4/22/22 or 2022. It's 1 day past the expiration date. I've actually have drank milk probably 3 and 4 days past the expiration date. If it doesn't stink, it's good. And I actually left about 8 of these in the dumpster because there's no reason to take what I can't use or try to donate fast. Got more apples, another bag of apples. I don't see anything wrong with them. I don't see a bruise or anything. Got a bag of apples. I got 1 bag of oranges, or more than what? Mandolins? How do you say that? Mandolin? This has mandels. I don't know, they're kind of like cuties, whatever. But we got so many of them still. I only took 1 because there was still another 15 of those in there. And last but not least, I got me some more eggs. Best by February 6th. So here's what happens. If they get damaged, they throw them out. Well, I'm going to throw the damaged ones out. Do 1, 2, 3. I got 4 damaged ones. But I still got 8 good ones. Same here. If they get damaged, 1 bad one. You got 11 good eggs. We waste too much in America. I didn't bring all the pieces in. This is a brand new, I think it's some type of a chair or a bench that you use outside. It doesn't have the hardware, but I got about 5 more pieces of this thing. I'm gonna have to look it up on the internet to see if I can find something or try to put it together. Because I do want to keep this on the back porch. And last but not least, I got a air compressor pump. This is brand new, still in the box. It hasn't even been taken out. It's brand new. This is it's a pump for an air compressor. I have an air compressor out there that I paid like $500 for, and if the pump goes bad, that means you can't build up any air. And I use this to pump tires, put air in my tires, run my air tools and stuff like that. If that pump goes bad, I can just throw this one right on top of there. And I got and this was I looked up on the website. This is $170. It makes no sense why they just pitch stuff, but I'm glad they do it, and I hope they keep on doing it. Well, it was a rough, like I said, it was a rough start today, and I never know what I'm going to get when we go to the dumpster. So today was just a wide variety of stuff, and I do appreciate you guys following my YouTube and my Facebook pages. Yes, baby. Please continue to do so, because I like doing this, and if I don't have anybody watching, I have no reason to do this. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.